Hi, this video is going to be on word classes. Now we start with our verbs. Now verbs are most commonly described as doing words, so actions or states. So we have to run, to speak, to buy. So those are all actions really, and then adjectives. So adjectives describe things, often most commonly describe nouns. So we have words like beautiful and rich. And then we have adverbs, which serve a similar purpose. So they describe things, but they describe verbs specifically. So we have quickly, so we could say they ran quickly, and then we have loudly, so they were speaking loudly. And then we have prepositions, so these are words that are used to relate nouns to other things, so on, off, behind, words like that. Then conjunctions, these are most commonly described as joining words, so but, and, because. And then of course we have nouns. We've got different types of nouns, but most commonly we can describe nouns as referring to objects or things. So words like pen or dog, train. Thanks for listening.